Two reasons I use skins. The first one is the obvious. Beautiful, sexy, bold, tough. That extra sum not only my 7 Pro gets, but about 90% of my other smartphones that I have in house. Just look at that. That is just bold. But the second reason is the most important. Most of my smartphones, at least the flagship ones, all have glass backs. 7 Pro, glass, and right in here we have this shiny aluminum metal slab that can scratch very easily. So with a skin, you're going to protect that area. If you're not going to sport a glass camera protector, use a skin. A clear case. This one right here from Rinky. Diffusion clear. That's going to add to the protection. Just look at that. And the case helps press up against the skin to help it adhere, stick to the back of my 7 Pro. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Leave that down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you in a timely fashion. Again, XtremeSkins, huge shout out for continuously giving me the opportunity. Have a happy holiday, folks. Stay safe and healthy. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. Peace. I am out.